So, good evening again, YouTube land. Go ahead and continue to work on this sprocket back here. So, what we're looking at right now is the rear swing arm of a 2001 Warrior 350. We're going to go ahead and replace this chain, sprocket, but before we can replace that chain, we have to loosen up the swing arm. You have two bolts. One here on the top, one in there on the bottom. Now a couple years back we were out riding and my rear end got real loose, and whenever I got off to check it out, I realized that nut on this side had, well, fallen off. I did not do my maintenance. So always check your nuts before you go riding. Another thing I want to go ahead and do before I take everything apart is go ahead and check this new sprocket. Again, this is the brand of sprocket that I bought from, the cycle shop down here in Conroe. Alright, perfectly lines up with the bolts. That's a good thing. So for me, since I did have to replace this nut not too long ago, I need a 19mm for mine. So I'm going to try to do this one hand holding the camera, one hand, well, loosening up the nut, and let's see if this works. Let me see. I'm going to need another hand. This side, for me, is a 17mm. So, let's see how talented I really am. Place this on my belly. Ah! Now that we got that a little loose, we'll go ahead and use this side if it'll fit. Nope, not gonna fit. So I don't know if you have any of these wrenches that are a ratchet on one side and just a regular opening wrench on the other. And they do definitely work great. Well, when there's enough room for them. This application, not so much. All right, we got that one plenty loose. Man, I sure hope that's a good angle for y'all, because I can't see. Save my life.